what my husband bought. Like I said, I wear mic now. I not wear mic. Is this crayfish? Yes. Ah, how much crayfish be this? 12,000. 12,000. Plenty, oh. Now make I get to ask. So you sure say na crayfish? I'm telling you. Now that woman you buy from, Abi, she be don't do the up and down.
No, the number, yes, there was one number missing. Okay. And I credited the number, but I don't know where to put it.
Oh.
There was 0 missing.
Then listen, you guys, I'm not showing the video of this soup. I have numerous videos of it. So I just want to show you what we bought.
You can't over it fast.
I'm telling you, this is the afan of it.
Yes.
Then fish, plenty fish.
What fish is 6,000?
All this food, I'm gonna pack.
7,000.
When I cook, I pack them inside my freezer. This water leaf. This is meat. Ah, the meat is plenty.
That's 30,000 worth of meat.
30,000 worth of meat.
There's liver and whatever.
Small onions. This one too is more fish. And the fish plenty. Oh.
I think there's 10,000 fish.
Ah.
I told the guy, say, how much is one lap of cow? It's almost 300,000.
Jesus.
I think it's true.
Then this one, normal. Our fufu. Plenty fufu. How much worth of fufu? How much fufu? 2,000, Abi?
Yeah,
that's the amount we buy, 2,000. So it's time to get cooking. I need my biggest pot for my mates. I need a bigger pot of stainless steel. You guys, I've not seen a very big size of stainless steel. Is it I've not seen them? I'm not yet ready to buy some. Anyone sharp? End of that. Let me go and wash my meat and prepare my food, and I'll talk to you guys later. So this is the fries my husband bought, and French fries ready. It says ready in 3 minutes. Let's see how many minutes this one said. It's 10 minutes. Well, maybe because it's frozen. Well, yeah. And natural potatoes. I don't know what company is this. Looks like it's from one to buy Arabic countries. Crispy and delicious. So let's see. Where do I place you guys so that people see all the things I want to do? Hey, I don't know how to place you guys, so I don't know. Should I put it this way? Make sure that this basket is inside, and did the light just go when I'm about to? My goodness. I'm about to fry some stuff. Oh. Anyway, you guys, so I'm supposed to put my French fries inside. I'm going to continue this video some other time, but this one I the light has gone now. This thing consumes 2,000 watts like of power. It's like you're using your microwave. Any heating thing, will drag your current, but I cannot use this on my inverter, so I have to wait for them to bring the lights back. I'm so pissed. What's the name of this? These are the issues of Nigeria. I cannot get steady supply of lights. Video that I want to make now, video I've scattered. Hey guys, this our light is not stable, so since yesterday, this morning they're bringing the lights. Anyway, so I decided to fry meat. I had some meat frozen already in the freezer. Let me try it with meat first. So I've been waiting for like 5 days now. I packed my soap. Forgot to show you guys the end of the meat, frying of the meat. This I look. It's really fried though. Very fried. Oh, it's all my soap. I just the remaining one in the pot. It's not much again. I need my dream house because I don't like things on my counter. I don't know if you've noticed. And then because I'm on YouTube, so I do a lot of this with my workspace. This is a workspace as far as I'm concerned. So I like it not congested, and then you just see load everywhere. So in my dream house, I'm going to have where all these things will be put. So when I want to use it, I'll just bring it out and then use it. And this is where I put my blender, because this is the one I use mostly for if I start doing my juicing things. I ordered this short bottle stuff from Temu. I'm gonna say it when it comes. And then this baking tray stuff for things like air fryer. I don't have 300. It's not even 300 and something thousand anymore. That Ninja complete set, just the way this one came, the whole complete set ahead is like, I saw like 800,000 or so, but it's no longer 300,000 I was thinking of. And maybe in the future we'll see purchase Ninja, but if this one works fine, I mean, what will not be my problem? If it does the work very well with the processor and all that, I'm sure you must have seen that video. If you've not seen it, I will link it up in the description box and on your screen. And just check my videos as well, maybe the video before this, you're gonna see it. So everything about this blender, everything, the whole set is a whole food processor set. And yeah, I'm up here. Let's see what the future holds with this blender. I'm going to be doing a lot of things, and I'll carry you along. You will see them in my neighbor's chicken. We gotta carry that chicken I eat though. You'll see them in between my vlogs. And yeah, tell me congratulations. Now I now have a good blender. You know I've been suffering from blender since one Jerukede blender that I have. And I've bought blenders, but I knew that I've not bought the main blender. Do you get? So yeah, I like that this one, it came with this. It came with a smoothie. People just need to go and see that video. It's a lot. It came with 23 items in total. So you can imagine the amount of things it's going to do. Peace out. Just got my son's Bible. This is the same vendor I got my Bible tabs from, but not the vendor I got my own Bible from. So they also sell Bible materials and stuff like that. Yeah, I've been wanting to buy this Bible for the longest time for my son, something that he actually likes. He had one, I don't know if I can see a picture inside the clip. He had one before that, you know, those Bible you buy for children, for kids. Yeah. But this one is now 6 years old, so you need something more matured and then still child friendly. You get what I mean? So yeah. And it says, thank you so much for your patronage. We pray that this will be a blessing to you and enhance your intimacy with Abba. Love. Yeah. And then be anxious for nothing. Looks like a bookmark. I'm so happy for him. So this is the NIRV Adventure Bible for early readers, hardcover. #1 Bible for kids. I checked the reviews, and I checked a lot of reviews. Say ready for adventure. So the price of the hardcover is actually different from the other cover. I don't know what they call it, the paper cover or whatever. So this is the hardcover. So let's see how inside is. So this is how it looks inside. Old Testament, New Testament, have words to treasure. Famous people in the Bible. They even have famous kids in the Bible. Love passage for kids. Famous children of the Bible. Yeah. And questions kids ask. And all that.